Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're just joining, I'm Gwendolyn Halley, a medical microbiologist, an entrepreneur, a gospel poet, and a pastor, and also a content creator. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and you will be blessed. Share these videos to others so that they can be informed and inspired. Now, we are going to go diving straight into our topic for today, and that is female hygiene and female grooming part 2. Remember, we had done part 1 earlier, so please go back into my videos and you'll be able to watch. Now today we'll be dealing from the navel downwards to the feet, and the first thing I have to say is you have to clean your navel. Take a sponge and put it in your navel with a little bit of soap and wash it gradually. There are a lot of people who have dirt that is in their navel, and if your navel is not hidden inside your tummy and is bulging outside, be very careful also when you're watching, because if you rub too much on that navel, it will give you discomfort in your tummy. Now also, do not repeat underwear. Please do not repeat underwear. Wear cotton underwear. Do not repeat underwear, ladies, please. It is not good. It is preferable you wash yourself and you stay that way without wearing anything than to repeat underwear. You know that cotton underwears are going to absorb a lot of sweat and moisture, and it's better. But when you don't wear cotton underwears and you wear the polyester and the others, yes, they are lighter, yes, they look very good and attractive, but they are not very good. Amen. Now, don't forget to shave and trim your pubic hairs. Now, I've not said take out all the pubic hairs. The pubic hairs help you when you are peeing, so that when, like in a public place, and when you pee and the urine splashes back on you, it doesn't touch your vulva or get into the opening of your vagina. So that is the good thing, or the importance, or the advantage of pubic hairs. But the other side of it is it has advantages. Also, if you're somebody who doesn't take the time to clean themselves, those hairs as well, pubic hairs, when you clean yourself, most times not all the urine comes out of the hair. So that's why I'm advising trim your pubic hairs. Don't take them all out, because the pubic hairs help to protect back splashes of urine, or when you poop, let me say in a toilet, and the water in the pot steps back or splashes back. These pubic hairs are going to prevent that water, if it's not clean water or it's not disinfected, not to touch the opening of your vagina, your vulva, or around your womanhood and give you rashes. So just trim it. And it's also good to trim it because during sexual intercourse, this is for people who are married, when you have sex, what happens is your pubic hairs go into your vagina, and it is not good, and it brings discomfort during sex. It is always also advisable that when a woman is about to give birth, she has to trim her pubic hairs. If she cannot do it, she can use a blade, like a shaving stick, just to shave, because sometimes if you have a tear in your vagina and they have to stitch you, it is very uncomfortable if they have to stitch in those hairs as well. Knowing that not all hospitals would take the time to shave you before they actually stitch you. Not many doctors or midwives or nurses are educated to do that, or will have the time, or will even have a razor or a shaving stick to do that for you. So please do that when you know that you're in the 8th month, 8.5 month, or 9th month of pregnancy. Do yourself well and shave. This is very important. And another reason why it's good to trim it is trim your pubic hairs is also because it brings a lot of heat. A lot of people who have a lot of pubic hairs sweat a lot on their underwears. That is why you have to change all the time. If you're somebody that goes to the beach or has bikini, get your bikini lines taken off. Look very neat. This is very important. Another thing about hairs or pubic hairs that are found around the anus is that it needs to be trimmed off completely around the anus. Why? Because when we poop and we clean ourselves with tissue paper or toilet paper, there are remnants of feces that stay on the hair in between our anus and even on the walls, no matter how we clean. Now, you can, another example is, you know, when you wipe a baby who has pooped, or with baby wipes, or just with plain tissue, you will see the difference. And when you do when you use baby wipes, so there are two different things. Now, when you're able to trim the hair that is in between your bum, it makes it easier even when you wash yourself, to take away the smell and remnants of feces. Now, I would advise you that if you're going to a public place and you want to poop, or you are always outside, out and about, always have a pack of baby wipes in your bag, so that when you poop, after you've cleaned yourself with a normal toilet paper, use the baby wipes to clean yourself, to take away the extra feces or the remnants of feces that could be stuck on some little hairs that have started pushing out, or even at the crack opening of your anus. Many people do not know. If you like, you can try and see. After you clean yourself with plain tissue paper, just pass your hand in between your bum and see how you still feel the smell. So it is good that we should always carry a baby wipes to wipe ourselves completely, especially if you're wearing a string or a tongue, or you know, you're going on a night out, or you see you're just at home. You don't want to take off your underwear and see feces on it. It doesn't look good. And also, when you're having a shower with firstly, wash in between your bum or your anus area, that is from your vagina to your anus area, with a sponge or with a body scrub. Wash in between first. That means you wash that area twice, and even around your vagina, the opening of your vagina or the outer area of your vagina, you wash it twice. You first of all wash it with a body scrub, wash the outside very, very well, wash your anus area, and then now you take a sponge or a towel, a piece of towel, or let me say a body towel, and you wash now properly. The first scrub you're going to use is to take away dead cells, to scrub out the dead cells around that area. Now, when you use a face towel, or let me say a little towel, or a body towel to wash in between that area, or a sponge to wash, I'm not talking about a hard sponge, I mean a soft sponge, something that is soft and, you know, can go in between the cracks of your skin, the epidermis of your skin. When you use it now in between your anus area, around outer area of your vulva, your clitoris, it will then take away all those remnants of feces that may have entered in between the cracks of your skin, of your epidermis. It will take it all out. If you like, you try the difference. You can see the difference. Experiment just pooping and taking water and soap and washing in between your bum, and also do an experiment by first washing in between your bum with a body scrub, or a body sponge, that is a scrub. That I'm talking about, body sponge, that is a scrub, and then after washing, you use a body towel to wash. I'm telling you, when you wash twice, the smell of feces or poop is no longer there. But when you just wash with soap and water, you will still have the smell and still some remnants of feces. And this is not very good with intimacy. Imagine you sleeping with your spouse or having sex with your spouse, and then all they can smell is feces. Remember, it's the lady that opens the feet, and if you don't clean properly, you will find out that it's very uncomfortable, especially for those who get involved in oral sex. Now, when you're cleaning yourself after pooping, clean from the front to the back. That means clean from your vagina towards your anus. That is very important, so that feces doesn't enter into your vagina or your urethra. That is the opening of where you pee. Remember, a woman does not pee through her vagina. She pees through her urethra. So this is very important. This will reduce the risk of having UTI infections and other annoying infections that a lot of women have. So we are going to our next point, which is do not use soap. I'm sure you've heard this all over and over. One of the reasons why women keep using soaps and a lot of things in their vagina is because they haven't really studied their body. You're supposed to know as a woman your natural discharge and your discharge when you think you have an infection, or when you've taken antibiotics for a very, very long time. So this is very, very, very important that you do not put, because when you start to put things in, wash your hands with, even with very strong scented or soaps or disinfectants around the vagina, it changes the pH of the vagina, and then you begin to get candida or thrush, or what we call in our local language here, sugar, which is not very good. And then you remember that you have to wash your breast and wash around your nipple. Wash your nipple. All women who are breastfeeding, wash your nipple. Some women don't wash their nipple. Take a sponge and wash it, especially if you are using the numbing ointment on your nipple. Wash it. Very, very important. Do a good pedicure on yourself so to take away the dead skin. It is not pleasant and not good to find a lady who has got a lot of dead skin on her soles of her feet, or cracks at the sole of her feet that are able to pick up the beddings when she lies on the bed. That means that carry the bedding along as she moves. Also, take good care of your nails, your feet. Do a manicure, do a manicure, do a pedicure, soak your feet, take care of yourself. Do TLC, it's very, very important. Sun your shoes and socks, very important, so you don't develop athlete feet. Athlete feet can occur in between the toes and on the soles of the feet. When it's on the soles of the feet, it gives you warm feet. It makes your feet very warm. If you are in a very cold area, you're experiencing winter or autumn, take your shoes and dry behind the fridge or behind the freezer. This is very good. Now, learn. This is very important. Every woman, there are different types of bra for different type of clothing, for different types of occasion. Some has different types of undergarments. You have the thong, the string, the boys pant, the high waist, the seamless. You need to know what you are supposed to wear for a particular clothing. Don't just wear anything. These are things that as a woman you have to learn. Also, you have to learn the types of bra you need to wear in particular clothing. There are different types of bra: the balcony bra, the underwire bra, non-padded bra, push-up bra. There are many. A balconette, there's a sports bra, there's t-shirt bra. You need to be well informed so that when you appear, you don't find your nipple printing out of your clothing, and you don't see the design of your people don't see the design of your bra printing on top of your shirt, on top of the clothing. This is not very, very good. Choose your bras for different seasons so that you present well. It's not good when a woman's nipple is printing through her clothing if she's not wet, let me say in a cold season, or when she goes out somewhere. It is not good that a woman wears her clothing and you see the lines. You can picture out the bra she's wearing. These bras and undergarments or undergarment, the pants you wear, the thongs, the strings, is personal and intimate stuff, not for the public to know. So that is very important. Learn to moisturize your skin every night. If you look at my skin, I have a very flawless skin. Even when I am tired, I make sure I wash my face and I use my night cream, which is always enriched with either vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin B. Many people develop hyperpigmentations or dark areas of their skin because they don't moisturize enough. It is very important because your body needs moisture, needs the water that are in those products to be able to keep yourselves looking happy and good. Very, very important. Now, if you have dark inner thighs, most women or most black women have black inner thighs. You can find a woman with big thighs, but she doesn't have black inner thighs. That's because you need to know what to wear and when to wear it. You need to know the kind of especially in the different weathers. Now, don't think it's every woman that has got big thighs that have got dark inner thighs. So you have to know what to wear to be able to prevent you from having friction. If you're not wearing jeans, make sure you're wearing your body shaper that can reduce under your dress or under your skirt to be able to prevent friction. Now, you can take away these hyperpigmentations, as these dark areas in between your thigh, by using products that are high in vitamin C or glycolic acid. Be very, very careful. Not all skin brightening agents or bleaching agents take away dark inner thighs. You need to know how to manage it. Even dark underbumps, It is not cool. You need to know your body. Don't just wear anything. If you know you have dark inner thighs and a dark underbone, please don't wear hot pants because it's not attractive. Know your body. Know what to wear as a woman. Know your body type. Are you pear-shaped? Are you hour-shaped? Are you just rectangular? Are you plum shaped? Know what you are. Are you athletic body? Know what fits your body type. Know how to show you can present well. Remember, when you present well, you feel confident, and also it attracts people towards you. But first, remember that you always have to dress to please yourself. Make sure you wear what you're comfortable in, but also what makes you look good in the presence of others. So that is very important. And also, when you are menstruating, women, please make sure you shower day and night. Let me tell you the truth. The woman who is menstruating will never smell the blood that is oozing out of her, or the blood that, let me say, the old blood that is on her pad or on her tampon or in her cup. It was other people around that will get the smell. Now, make sure you shower, because during that time your body is trying to eliminate a lot of toxins. Please get it out of your body. Get all that sweat, and be neat. Know how to match clothing. Know what fabric matches with which fabric. Know how to color block, and it's also very good that whatever we use on our bodies, let me say, if you're using a body towel to clean your bum, to wash your bum, as I mentioned earlier, make sure you disinfect it and wash it properly before using it on your face, so you don't develop pimples. Acne. It's also important to change your pillowcase to avoid pimples or acne. And also, particularly for those who are in Africa or in different parts of the world where the foundations, whether it's oil foundations or powdered foundations, are not being monitored for expiry dates to throw, and people who buy them, or retailers don't throw them. They still allow people to buy. Be very worried not to buy makeup that is foundation that has expired, because it will ruin your face. It will give you acne because the bacterial growth has started. The bacterial growth is so present on that foundation or in that powder. So till next time, don't forget, like, share and comment, and we'll take a ride together to the next level. I'm bringing juicy topics to you next time. So I'm rebranding my channel, and I want to take you along with me. Bye.